Hello all, welcome to this video and my channel for a series to you are interview preparation for the Agile software development project management, where you are going to prepare for Scrum Master or Product Owner or any other role which are related to Agile project management. You can go ahead and grab these questions and answers which is for you all. Okay, and if you want to join my community, go and purchase my course and get the personalized intro preparation from my. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss the other questions and answers which are related to these interviews. If you want to go ahead with the other question and answer, just check the other videos which we have released previously and be with me for the next series. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. The next question is why we are having daily stand-up meeting. If they are asking you this question, then the answer would be the daily stand-up is a short daily meeting to discuss progress and identify the blockers. The reasons it's a called a stand up is because if the attendees participate while standing, the meeting should be kept short, right? It's just a 15 minutes stand up meeting. It should be not more than that. For software team, it's a stand up is like a sports team huddle. Got it? So the next question is what is the retrospective? An agile retrospective is an opportunity for agile development team to reflect on past work together and identify the way for to improve themselves while working with the next sprint. So agile team hold retrospective meetings after a time box period of work is complete. Okay, you can maintain it through Confluence pages or something. You can get some idea boost or other tools as well where uh, you can create this data and take it in the PDF and upload on the Confluence or any other locations where all can reach out. Okay, accessible. So the next question is how many Scrum team you have handled on time and the team size. Just explain in more. So as a Scrum Master, I have handled two teams at once. This answers I have prepared from my experience, from my perspective. You can change it according to your requirements. So first team size was 10. That is where developer was 6, front end 2, back end 4. So in the developer QM, then the QA 2 and one SM and one PO, because we are having one team Scrum team. It is having development team and SM Scrum Master and the product owner. So I have used Java full stack for the Angular and the backend would be Java. So the second team, maybe you can say with the same, because you are going to share the same product goal, then you can go ahead with the same team size and the same structure for the second team as well. Okay, so if you're just handling the other project, then you can say it's .NET full stack where front end and back end I have given. Front end should be ASP.NET and back end should be VB.NET. Okay, then you can explain like size was 9 or something. You can create this answer as per your thinking, your perspective. But if you are in one safe module, then you are going to handle the same product goal where product backlog also will be the same, only sprint backlog will be different. So that's why scrum team will get differently managed. Okay, so the next question is what are the various prioritization techniques? Explain one of the prioritization technique which you used in the last project. So here are given some prioritization technique. If you are not aware, then just go ahead and say we used Moscow prioritization technique in last project as well and in my career as well. Okay, so just explain that. So, what is in Moscow prioritizing and in Agile? I have prepared the one whole 15 minutes video on this prioritization process. You can go ahead and see that video in depth for knowledge purpose. But here, just explain in short when they are going to ask you. What is that? So, priorities are expressed as per Moscow model. So, Moscow model is like must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Must have means must requirement is given to topmost priority. Then should have, it would be next priority is given to the requirements that highly desirable, thoughts not mandatory. Okay. Then could, the text next priority is given to the requirement that is nice to have. If you are having the buffer time to complete all these things in one project, and that timestamp, sometime that timestamp would be maximum 3 months or something. If you are having the must have items are less, should have items are also you covered, then you can take some items from the could have, but those are not actual prioritized item and critical items. Okay, must would be critical urgent. Okay, then should, it highly desirable but not mandatory, but it would be good if we are developing those as well in that timestamp, 3 months or something. After that you can again go ahead and create a new project and take those as product backlog items, right? Then could have, then the item is a final consideration is given to the requirement which will not work in the process at that point of time. But yes, of course, these are not the items which are not required exactly. Maybe some users are required those features or something, it's useful, but we are not able to give the time in that time frame for these items. Then you can go ahead with the next project and include those items and develop these features and release for the users. Okay, you can go ahead with this. So, the next question is, who can cancel the sprint? Only the product owner has the authority to cancel the sprint. Next question is, in which scenario product owner will cancel the sprint? A sprint can be cancelled before the sprint time box is over. A sprint would be cancelled if the sprint becomes no longer produced or used or out of date or something. This might occur if the company changes the direction, okay, or if the market or technology conditions changes. Got it? Then only these scenarios PO can cancel the sprint product owner. Okay, then the next one is the after the sprint cancellation task will go to the product backlog. When the product backlog cancels sprints, when the product owner cancels the sprint, all the work done until the moment is evaluated and remaining work items are pushed to the product backlog for the further analysis. So we are having some one meeting that is product refinement meeting as well. So where that product I where product backlog will we are going to discuss which are the priority and we can take it or not, those all these things we can discuss on this that meeting. Okay, so this all the questions we have discussed in this video. Just go with this video again and learn and prepare the answers as per your perspective and be with me for the next questions and the next videos. Okay, so if you want to join my community, go and purchase my course which I have given in the description section. Thank you.